Ever pondered over the process of creating a Facebook account? It might seem like a daunting task for the uninitiated, but worry not. It's as simple as pie. Let's unravel this mystery together. To kick off this process, navigate to Facebook's website or app. Once there, your eyes will meet a sign-up page inviting you to become a part of the Facebook community. Start by filling the form that appears on the screen. It will ask for your name, mobile number or email address, birthday, gender, and a password. Once you've filled in all the details, take a deep breath and click on the Sign Up button. A verification code will be sent to the method you chose, be it your email or phone number. This code is Facebook's way of making sure it's really you. So, enter the verification code where prompted. Next up is the fun part, personalizing your profile. Add a profile picture that best represents you. Fill in information about your interests, education, and workplace. This information will help Facebook understand you better and tailor your experience accordingly. Now, you're almost there. If you wish, you can start adding friends, but don't feel the pressure. You can always do this later. And voila, your Facebook account is ready to roll. To summarize, the steps are: first, navigate to Facebook's website or app. Second, fill in the sign-up form. Third, enter the verification code you receive. Fourth, personalize your profile with a picture and other details. Lastly, add friends at your own pace. Creating a Facebook account is not rocket science, so take the plunge and dive into the world of social networking.